Good morning, everyone. I'm Yashika of 12th Humanities from Path Public School, and today I'm here to tell you a story that has a very beautiful theme that tomorrow never comes. The story takes place in the small village named Alsace, and there is a small boy whose name is Franz, and he is a school going child. Now, in the village, the war is upon the people. The France and Prussian war is going on, and the people are very scared, and they are under the stress of war. Now, France is a school going child, and he, as usual, he forgets to learn his participle lesson, and he is very nervous and anxious to go in the school and attend the lecture. Now, in this hustle and bustle, he rushes towards the school, and he finds a bulletin board in the center of the city where all the bad news is arrived, like killing of people in war or the prisoners of war. Now that day also, the bulletin board was uh, crowded very much, and he ignored that, and he rushed towards his school. On entering the school campus, he found his class very strange. He found that his class was unusually calm, and the villagers are accompanying the children sitting on the last benches. And his teacher, M. Hemel, he was wearing his green coat, which is used to wear on only specific occasions. Now, his teacher was pacing up and down in the class, and he suddenly announced that it was their last French lesson. Now, all the unusual happenings that had been happening with France all over the day now made sense. Now he got to know that he always took his lessons for granted, thinking that he has enough time to learn his language and appreciate it. But suddenly now he knew that the last lesson is upon him. He got very sad and he started repenting it. Being a true teacher, M. Hemel also accepted his mistakes, that sometimes he sent students to water the plants and sometimes he himself took voluntarily off. But he told his students that this was their last French lesson, and he dedicated himself to teach that lesson to the students. It was an amazing lesson, and Franz was repenting. He was sad, he had mixed emotions. Now, the story gives us a message that tomorrow never comes. We always keep procrastinating things and delaying things, thinking that tomorrow would be a better day and the conditions would be more suitable to do the things. But tomorrow actually never comes. Always, the time that is in the present is the most precious time, is the most productive time that you can have. You have to make the most of the present movement. You have to make the most of the present moment, as future is uncertain. The story is also about realization of the French people, that they always took the opportunities for granted. They always took that they had enough time to learn French, but suddenly their last lesson was upon them. This is a very beautiful story by Alphonse Daudet named The Last Lesson. Thank you.